Well, I expect us to play for the duration of the game like we did in the second half there, and really continue with our positive performances of late. I think we've gone about games in a very aggressive way sometimes, and I think that suits us. I think we are a better side when we are trying to force our opponents to come up with solutions for what we can actually go out and deliver. So, you know, it's another important game for us, and like I said, if we can go into it with the intention of performing for the whole of the game like we did in the second half there last time, I think we'll be better placed to come away with 3 points.